Hello everyone! It's me again, Danica, and I am excited to present a prime investment opportunity, the SMDC Mall of Asia project. If you're looking for a solid investment that promises growth and reliable rental income, this project is the perfect fit. Let me explain why. First is the prime location with ongoing reclamation. SMDC Mall of Asia project ay nasa isang highly strategic location sa Bay Area na patuloy na dinidevelop. Isa sa mga pinaka-exciting features dito ay ang ongoing reclamation project sa area, which will further enhance the area's accessibility, aesthetic, and overall value. Habang natatapos ang reclamation, tataas ang demand for both residential and commercial spaces, making it an ideal time to invest now before the value skyrockets in the future. Second is the strong potential for rental income. Dahil sa patuloy na pagdevelop ng area, ang SMDC Mall of Asia project ay may napakagandang potential for rental income. Sa dami ng mga turista, locals, and office workers na frequent ang MOA complex, makakaasa ka na high foot traffic na nagbibigay ng consistent na demand sa retail, office, or residential spaces. Whether you're planning to lease a retail unit, office space, or residential property, the demand is projected to stay strong, ensuring regular rental income for you. Third is the diversified tenant base. Ang area na ito ay hindi lang para sa mga families, kundi pati na rin sa mga professionals, entrepreneurs, and even international tourists. Since ang SMDC Mall of Asia project ay isang mixed-use development, magkakaroon ka ng access sa iba't ibang klase ng tenants, mula sa mga business owners or retailers hanggang sa mga residential tenants. This diversity means that your property will always attract a wide range of customers, ensuring that your rental income will be stable. Fourth, ongoing and future infrastructure developments. Sa patuloy na development sa area, mula sa reclamation project hanggang sa bagong kalsada at public transport systems, mas magiging accessible ang lugar. The improvements will make the area even more attractive for business, retailers, and tenants, so you can expect your property value to increase over time, along with the rental income. And last but not the least, high appreciation potential. Sa patuloy na pagdevelop ng lugar,